Here's a Schindler hydraulic lift at Milton station. Now I'm going to do 3 lifts here. Red Dewhurst US 90-15. Here it is. You can even hear the voice from here. Take a look at the door sensors there, Otis. Glad to see. Cab view. Lift number.
Concourse level, Milton Road and exit.
3. Let's move on to this lift. There's the Liftronic, which we'll do last. Salient indicator. Red Dewhurst US 90-15. Take a look at the door sensors. They're located like, I don't know, in a corner. Go down to C. No, P. Open door button got replaced into Dewhurst US 96.
Platform 2 and 3 level and station ticket line.
And the LOP button on this level also got replaced into blue Dewhurst US 96. Lift number 2.
Concourse level, Milton Road and exit.
Now to the last lift. It's just a boring lift you get in train stations. Just this crap. Blue Dewhurst Jumbo US 95. These ones have got panachrome sensors. Orange Dewhurst J US 91-EN, I believe. There's the door open button. Orange Dewhurst US 91-EN. Cab view.
Ground floor.
But on this level, Red Dewhurst J US 91-EN. There it goes. That's it.